In this video, I'll show you how to log in Facebook without two-step verification. So if you can't access your previous device or the phone number that was used to set up the two-step verification, then this video is for you. So follow every step shown in the video. And if you find this guide useful, leave a like, share and subscribe. With that being said, let's dive in. So now when you go to facebook.com, then submit your Facebook login details, then click on login. You'll get this kind of a message. Check your notifications on another device. Now the problem is you can't access that device. So what you need to do is to click on try another way here at the bottom. Again here they've given you options to confirm that it's you. So you need to receive a code via WhatsApp or SMS. Now the problem is you can't access that phone number. So what you need to do is to click on account recovery. So click on that link. Then click on submit a photo of your ID. Now here they tell you, we'll walk you through a few steps. So step number 1, tell us how we can reach you. Step number 2, upload your ID. So click on next. So how can we reach you? So guys, submit an email address or phone number that you can access at the moment. Then click on next. So now a confirmation code has been sent to that phone number or email address that just submitted. So I'll open my Gmail application. Then copy this confirmation code. Go back to Facebook. Then submit that code. Then click on next. So now choose the type of ID to upload. So all of these are types of IDs that Facebook allows. So I'll choose the third option, national ID. Then click on next. So all of these are the requirements needed when uploading your ID. So number 1, the full ID is visible and all information is readable. No part of the ID is cut off. The photo is not too dark. There's no glare on the ID. And the last option, the photo is not blurry. So submit a photo of your ID. So now I'll get this kind of a message, identity confirmation in progress. We usually review information within 48 hours. We'll send you a notification once you've made a decision. So guys, you need to wait 48 hours for Facebook to contact you back. So after 48 hours, Facebook will contact you either via email address or your WhatsApp number. So I received mine via email address. So I'll open my Gmail application. So this is the message. Thank you for confirming your identity. You can click the button below to get back into your account. So now they've given you 2 options to get back into your account. The first one is the code. The second one is the link. Again, they've shown you the expiry date of the code and the link. So what you need to do is to long press on get back into your account. Then copy the URL. Now go ahead and open your browser that you normally use. So I'll open my Chrome browser. Then submit that URL or paste that URL on your browser and then you hit enter. So you can choose to save the browser or not to save it. So click on continue. Now here they ask you to confirm access to your phone. So click on no. Now this is the most part everyone wanted, to turn off the two-factor authentication. So click on turn off two-factor authentication. As you can see, the two-factor authentication is now turned off. So click on OK. So by doing that automatically, you have now bypassed the two-factor authentication. So you can now log into your Facebook account without the two-factor authentication. So guys, if you found this guide useful, leave a like, share the video and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.